Hello everyone, in this quick video I'll show you how to create a Facebook business page or just a Facebook page. So let's dive right into the video. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Remember, this method will work on both iOS and Android. So just follow my steps. After opening your Facebook app, tap on the three-line icon. You may see an option here like create a new profile or page. If you don't see this option on your profile page, don't worry. Tap on the little down arrow. Now you will see a plus icon with create a new Facebook profile. Simply tap here. Next, you will see a page with information about Facebook page creation. We will create a Facebook business page, not another Facebook profile. Simply select public page and tap on the next. From the next page, tap on get started. In the page name field, input your desired Facebook page name. To show you, I will input just a sample page name and tap on next. On the next page, input your page category. Let me put in some categories and tap on create. On the following page, input your page bio, which means some information about your business or just your page information to let people know about this page. You can add your website URL if you have one and add your email and phone number for your business. You can also add this information later. You can also add your business opening hours and closing date like this. Now simply tap on next. We are almost done. You can add your business logo by tapping on the camera icon and you can add a cover photo. You can also add this later, so tap on next. From this page, you can invite your friends to follow or like this page. Tap next and then tap done. Yes, we are done. Our Facebook business page creation is completed. Tap on start tool or in this area. Our page is now ready to post anything about our page, and you can change or add any information by tapping the three-line icon. You can copy your Facebook business page URL from here. Yeah, that's it. We have successfully created a Facebook business page or fan page. If you have any question, please leave a comment. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye.